Babies, her like
redhead.
the cakes. Oh.
Cause she got backers up, dude.
Well, Jesse brought.
They're twins by different mother fathers.
Amaya and her.
By sisters.
Amaya, really?
Oh my God.
Maya's just destroying this cake.
Is anybody ready to start
fat
the
baby.
bath order?
That's so funny.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bathtub. If y'all want to go start that bath water upstairs. Nancy, go up and start the bath water. Nancy.
The bath, definitely, for these kids. You got Tommy's for her, Jesse?
No,
you just missed it. Riley just took a big chunk. Look.
Maya just took a big
Baby
old
girl. No, that's enough.
Don't know.
Right.
Dad, she's going to roll up.
Think she will?
Yeah.
Alright, girls, that's enough.
I know you. Look at that damn cake. I can't even eat that much.
He's having
So much fun though. Look at them.
He's gonna put her on.
Look, and she's like, stop me now. Stop me now.
Oh,
She just-
jeez, okay. That's enough, baby girl.
She's not going to sleep for 7 days.
Yay!
Riley just reached down and grabbed another handful.
Yay, Riley. Yay. Yay, Riley.
Good girl.
She's only been here for 1 day and she already acts like Prince.
She's
Look,
Look at this
Take
cake.
a whole picture. My camera
Look at this cake.
Like, get her.
Hold on, let me get
Legs
a
and everything.
Hold on, let me get pictures of everything. Okay, right.